Alright, this is my University of Software Engineering project. So I have my image and background, I have the footer, different colors, welcome to software engineering, gives a little spiel about that, kind of made up information there. Go to my about, there's some stats on that, there's my contact information, just my name and my email address. If we go to students, we could sort by students, last name, or the enrollment date. You could search for a student, we'll just put a BA. You can see that these are the people with BA. We could still do the enrollment date there, so you can see that changes. And again, by the last name. We go back to full list, you have the paging that works, so it's every 30 students, which is a pretty cool thing. We could create students, edit, see the details, what classes and stuff they're taking, and we could delete the students. I'm not going to do that yet. Let's do courses. These are all the courses that are in there. Again, you got the edit, you got the delete, the details, and delete, which I'm not going to do yet. And you can also create a new course, put in a course number, for the web development department. And we can see that our course test got put in right there. Instructors, we put in instructors that Mark Zuckerberg is what I just recently put in. We could select, when you select an instructor, you can see what courses are taught, and you can see what students are enrolled at that course, which right now I don't have any. So I guess I could go back and do a student. And let's find me. Let's do edit. Oh yeah, let's go back. Courses. Oh yeah, let's go to instructors. We can create a new instructor. Let's do Smith. And let's do Rick. And he's hired today. And let's do JavaScript. Create. And I see it puts them right in line right here. We do departments, where we could then go ahead and edit a department. We'll add that. Details. And delete department. We'll delete this temp one for the fun of it. See that it works. And that is about all. Thank you.